nationally, as many as 2.5 million manufacturing positions will go unfilled in the next 10 years. I'm trying to bring CNC technology, manufacturing technology, to young people here at Frank Peterson. It's a world that few people know anything about, and there's really good paying jobs in this industry.
0.3.
It makes a connection with some of the things we're teaching them. A lot of times they don't understand why any of the math that we're trying to teach them would apply to anything until they get out of here or they get in a job where it's implied. So this is giving them an experience that shows what a CNC operator would do. It'll help them make decisions about what they want to do.
It's not uncommon to make 50, 60, 70,000 plus. However, what I don't want young people to think is that they can just show up with no skill and expect that. You can't. You have to bring value. Your employer needs to get value from you as an employee with skills.
I'm trying to get as much experience as I can in robotics and engineering. We will have these specific skills that are needed for the technology. It's just pretty awesome.
I think it's pretty cool. I like building. You know, I don't like being on a computer all day. I like building. I would say thanks for like coming out of your free time. You know, you have a family, coming out to help other kids learn. So that's pretty cool to have that opportunity.